What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're doing this lighter trick. Yeah, I'm sure it was hot in here. We don't have AC. But, it was a lighter trick that I just learned. So, these are the tools you'll need. There's a knife and the lighter. What you want to do is you want to take it, do it on this side. And you want to pop this doohickey off, just like that. Then you have this. I can't film with this. This little adjuster thing, you push it all the way to the right. I'm going to do first test and then so that's how big it is, first test. Okay, so now, you go pick this up, make sure you're not grabbing the gears, and you want to move it over. And you want to just keep on doing that. See. I'm picking this up where it's not on the gear. You see the little gap? And I'm pushing it over and I'm bringing it back. Picking it up, bringing it back. Bringing it back. Now let's see how big it is. It's not lighting. Is there not enough? Alright, I got enough gas in there. Let me try holding this down a little. It's not working. So bring it back down. Maybe these have like a safety feature in them. They usually work. Let's try it now. I wonder if it's even spitting anything out. The lighter worked. Why is it not working? Okay, so we'll fill this one up all the way. Just the sparks are so big. Here, let's put the shield back on it. I don't know. Okay. Alright, let's try bringing it back down. Oh, it's the other way around, because look, see? Look how small it is. Okay, so it needs to go this way. Maybe that's why. Now, are you ready to be amazed? Woo! Sometimes you have a little bit of trouble getting it out. You can't leave it going for too long or it'll pop the spring in this. So you gotta let it sit for a while. But that's how you do it. So you just move this over a lot. You take the shield off. Here, I'll put the shield back on so y'all can see it with the shield on there. Can't do it for long with the shield on because it traps the heat in there and I'll have a bigger risk of it exploding. Well, now the freaking shield won't go back on. Ow. Let's just just leave it on like that. So. I mean, it's really cool. And it barely burns your lighter fluid either. So if you can if you can savor it and not let it blow the spring out, it won't do anything. But y'all want to see the new additions to the family? New additions. Got a goosey and a chicken. New additions. So, hope y'all like that short lighter trick. I mean, this thing, it can get higher. Let me try. Woo! This thing's crazy. Bump it down a little bit. That's it, y'all. See y'all guys later.